Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 15.2 question number 2. The dimensions of a cuboid are 5 cm, 3 cm and 2 cm. Draw 3 different isometric sketches of this cuboid. Let us draw. Let us draw. Let us take length is 5 cm. Length is equal to 5 cm. 5 cm. Breadth is 3 cm. Breadth is 3 cm. And height is 2 cm. Height is equal to 2 cm. 2 cm. Let us draw the cuboid. First of all, let us take length is equal to 5 cm. Let us take length 5 cm. Let us take length 5 cm. That is from here you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We take length as 5 cm, right? And breadth as 3 cm. Breadth as 3 cm. Let us take breadth as 3 cm. That is from here 1, 2, 3, right? And let us take height as 2 cm, 2 unit. Or if we take this as a centimeter, 2 unit, that is 1, 2. Right? Now, what do we do? Let us take this breadth as 3 unit or 3 centimeter, 1, 2 and 3 unit, right? And height is 2 unit. Height is 2 unit. The height will be 2 unit. That is here from here it is 1 and 1, 2. Right? In the same way, you have to take the parallel 1, 1, 2. Right? Now, I join this one. This is 2 unit again. 1 plus 1 is 2 unit. Right? I take parallel lines. Right? And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5. Let us take 5. 1. From here, let us take 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right? Now also take this one 2 unit. That is 1, 3 unit. 1, 2 and 3. Right? Now let us take this one as 3 unit. That is 1, 2, 1, 2